Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com, and this is going to be your stock watch list for June 26th, Tuesday. Sell-off day in the markets, as you see here with the SPY, and I just want to go over some of the areas of support resistance here real fast on the SPY. So you notice we couldn't get above that 280 level. We've talked about that before on previous videos. We've rolled over. And now you hear everybody talking about this 270 area. Why this 270 area? Well, if you take this 260, 259, and you add it to the 280 area, you get about the midpoint. All right, that's about the midpoint of the range where we broke out previously, where we held as support also. So 270 is the number that folks are watching. Today, we got down to 269.10, so the market basically broke some of the stops here at 270, push us down to 269, and then closed us back over 270. And we are right around the 50 SMA here. The 50 SMA is 271.43. For the SPY. So that's some of your action in the SPY. You can see here on this intraday chart of the SPY. So Friday, right, the market sold off here. Then they gap it down. You know, the SPY starts trading on my TC2000 at about 4 o'clock in the morning. So they gap us down this morning. In pre-market, we hold ourselves above around that 272, 273 area, and they bounce us off that, and it looks like, you know, okay, this is going to be another buy the dip kind of a morning. And then right at the open here, just about, right, they push us up a little bit right into my 55 EMA here, and then it was pretty much down for the rest of the day on the SPY. We did, like I say, we bounced off that 269.10, and we did close above 270 here as the market found its way back up on a slight bounce here in the SPY, and in after hours holding above that 271 right now. So those are some of the areas you have to watch for tomorrow. This 269.10, 270, 271.50. All right, up above, and then after that around the 272, 273 area if we do bounce that high for the SPY. Just to look at a couple other markets, you know, the IWM had been leading us, and after all this months of grinding up, pushing up, holding strength here, basically now we're back below the 20 SMA on the daily chart. Same thing with the IWC. The IBB took a hit also. The Qs today also took a hit as the tariffs with China heated up with President Trump. And so that verbiage continues on. And so we're going to have to see how this all plays out for tomorrow. Right now, the futures, it's about 6:46 p.m. Eastern Time. Here's your futures. The Dow futures down about 6, NASDAQ futures down about 3, S&P futures down about 1. Very early trading here. Like I said, it's about 6:45 Eastern Time. My time here right now. Some news that came out after the bell tonight, courtesy of the trade exchange built for traders by traders, the Trade Exchange. Definitely check out this news service. I use it in my service at Zozo Stockwatch every day. Audio news throughout the day, very fast news, pretty simplistic look, but clean and all I need, and the price is right. So the Trade Exchange built for traders by traders. We had an offering here by HRTX. Not much damage in the after hours, but HRTX announces public offering of common stock. We had OGEN had some news after the bell. Didn't see much movement in it. OGEN, nope, not much going on there at the moment. A stock that is moving up in the after hours was this XERS pharmaceutical announces positive phase 3 trial data on its investigational ready-to-use glycogen rescue pen. So XERS was moving up after hours. This is also a recent IPO for XERS, so definitely we'll have that one on watch for tomorrow. It's moving up a tad in the after hours tonight on this name. Let's see if there was anything else that came out in the after hours tonight. OPTT had some news. OPTT, that stock moving up. OPT announces receives patent to optimize energy harvesting in low to moderate, C states. So OPT with some news, a little bit of a pop there. Gevo, now we traded Gevo today, gave some tremendous trades. I think I took 3 trades in Gevo today, all for one for a loser, 2 for really nice winners, one almost a $1 move in Gevo. But after hours, ATN, they have an offering going on in Gevo, so that stock moving down in the after hours on Gevo. And then let's see if there was anything else. EXEL to replace CPRT in the S&P 400, so EXEL was moving up in the after hours. CPRT to replace Dr. Pepper Snapple in the S&P 500. That stock was moving up. CPRT giving it back at the moment, but CPRT with some news. So OPTT with some news. The one that I'm going to be watching though from this is the XERS. We'll see if that has legs in the morning. And so that's your news courtesy of the Trade Exchange. So even with the markets moving down today, and let me just show you. Normally on a down day like this, I would try to play, UVXY, UVXY, and but the market just dropped so quickly, and I felt that this UVXY popped. I didn't want to chase it, so I was just sitting on my hands, waiting. TIVIX, same thing. All of these, the inverses, TZA, also were popping up as the SPY was breaking down early in the morning, pretty much right from the open, and then stayed solid down. So you didn't want to, short on a day like this because you kept thinking that the dip buyers were going to show up like they did on Friday, and we got a lot of dip buyers showing up last week as the market moved down. So I didn't think of shorts, and I just bided my time. But some stocks that I was trading today, and we got some very nice moves. This ABIL. Gave just spectacular trades. We got it in this later in the afternoon at around $9, over $9.15, and the stock climbed all the way to 10. Now, I wish I could tell you I held it for the after hours and I got this move up to 12, but I did not do that. But I got a beautiful move from 9.15 entry here all the way up to about 10 and change. So a beautiful, over $1 move on ABIL, and that was to the long side. Another one we were playing to the long side quite a few times today, Gevo. We had 3 trades in this, 2 for winners and 1 for a loser on Gevo. You can see my lines here where I was watching, playing for those VWAP bounces and, those levels that I watch for the breakouts and stuff. So Gevo gave very nice trading. Another one that we traded was XBIO. Couldn't ask for a better move in this stock. That moved up, and we got this move. I believe it was right in here on XBIO. Another one we played Twitter for a bottom bounce here. Right here we played Twitter. We got in it at 44.08, and the stock climbed up to 44.51. So that was another trade that we did in the service today at zozostockwatch.com. So there was some very nice trading. I waited for the bounce and I played Twitter. Some folks were playing AMD for a bounce, but the one that I called for the service was Twitter, and that gave a nice bounce. So as far as the watch list for tomorrow, let me show you what I'll be watching. So we'll start out with this AKTX, big volume expansion. We had volume back here, and now we get another strong volume bar, AKTX, a biotech name. So this one will be on watch. In the after hours, stock moved up to about $2.45, gave some of that back, but I like this expanding volume the last few days here, so I'll have that one on watch. AMD for possible bounce trades in AMD, that'll be on watch. ARQL holding up pretty well on a day like today. ARQL. Now this would just be for an intraday trade. 3.2 million shares on Friday. This got almost what 10 million shares in it, and then today it pops up. So 3.2 million ARQL will be on watch. CIEN held up. Sienna held up, and there was options activity in this name last week, I believe it was. So I'll be watching this one, possible continuation move. CPRT, since that one got added to the S&P 500, I'll be watching that. CRUS, a semiconductor name, 4.1 million shares came in this as they tried to bounce it back over $40. So CRUS will be on watch. CTIC actually held up pretty well today. This might be one to watch. Expanding volume on Friday, a little bit light volume today, but I'll watch that one. ENPH had a very strong close, semiconductor name, trading up near that $7 area on ENPH. EXEL also got a pop in after hours. This one being added to the S&P 400, so maybe this one might have a play in it for tomorrow. Givo, since that offering, we'll see how it holds up in the morning. Might be watching that one. OPTT. Now, it usually doesn't trade very well intraday on OPTT, but I'll keep it on watch. A nice looking shipper chart here. SSW. Looks like it needs to get over this 915 area. There also was a recent high of about 924. So maybe that 915, 925 spot on SSW, 1.7 million shares. Possible swing trade in that name. Target held up well today. Even Walmart bounced today. So some buying in Walmart and Target. A couple you might want to keep on your radar. GPS, Gap stores held up okay today. You might want to keep Gap on your watch tomorrow. TPIV. Now, after a 1, 2, 3, about 4-stick pullback after this big run up, it pulls back to about the 10 SMA here. Nice pop, held up well. Didn't get a lot of volume today. Would like to see some more volume come in, but watch the highs from today of about 1090 for TPIV. TRXC, watching for this $5 break on this name. Notice the volume here, 17.8 million. Notice the volume on Friday, 23 million. So if this thing breaks 5, that'll be on watch definitely for tomorrow for that break of 5. We'll be watching TIVX, TVIX. We'll be watching UVXY tomorrow. TZA will be on watch if we're going to get a follow through. Down day XBIO will be on watch tomorrow as we close below that $6 area. A bit extended, but look, 9.9 million shares gave beautiful intraday moves today. So this one will be on watch. Maybe, like I said, a bit extended. So we'll see on that one. XERS, a recent IPO, had the news after the bell tonight. So this one will be on watch for tomorrow. XXII. 3.5 million shares, trying to get back over the 200 SMA on it. We have a high here of 255. The 200 SMA is 258. So keep an eye on this one over 260 area. YECO. Big moves up on these candles here, 2.9 million shares. YECO gave it back going into the close here, but we'll keep it on watch, maybe a back burner type of stock. So that's the watch list for tomorrow. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. Listen, I'm opening my chat room for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for this week. All right. So if you've missed the announcement, I'm making another announcement. My room will be open for free tomorrow. You can email me at zozostockwatchinc at gmail.com. All right. And I'll put that email in the description box for you. If you email me, you can have access to the room for free tomorrow, which is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for this week. All right, everybody, have a great night trading. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you like these videos, hit the like button, and hope to see you in my free chat tomorrow. Have a great day trading.